Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, and today guys I'm gonna make some fried dumplings. So here goes the flour. I put some flour, some cornmeal, and I put salt, baking powder, and some yeast because I like to put yeast in my dumpling also. So guys, at first, for time's sake, I'm gonna knead the flour. My hand is already washed guys, so I'm gonna knead the flour. So what I'm gonna make with this dumpling today, the protein will be some beans. So I'm gonna use beans for protein guys. So I'm gonna knead this flour and I'm gonna put it down a little for maybe 10 minutes so it can raise. Yes guys, I like fried dumpling. I love fried dumpling. I would eat fried dumpling every day if I could. But for health purposes, to protect your health, I eat flour every day. There you go guys, that's the dough. So I'm gonna put this to raise and then cover it and let it raise for a while. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna cut up. This is my beans, so I'm gonna use this bean and this bean. I never heard of this kind of bean before, whatever it is spelled, A-D-U-K-I. Aduki beans. Okay. So I'm gonna cut up some scallion, onion, tomato, and some sweet pepper guys. I got these sweet pepper from my garden, pesticide free guys. So I didn't put any pesticide on this. So this is what I got from my garden guys. So I'm gonna cut up these stuff. So yes guys, so I'm gonna cut my bean and then I'm gonna drain off the water and rinse it off. Rinse off the beans before I use it because I don't like to use the water that is in the beans. So first I'm cooking them. I'm gonna throw off the water and put fresh water to rinse off the beans. So I'll be back guys, I'm gonna rinse off the beans. Yes guys, so here goes the beans. I wash them off and now I'm draining off all that water. So now guys, while I'm waiting on my flour to raise, I'm gonna cut up my seasoning. So here you go guys. So this is what I'm gonna use. Onion, the white onion, purple onion, sweet pepper, scallion, and tomato guys. So I'm gonna cut these up. So I washed everything guys. I washed the scallion, I washed the onion, so I could wash everything. Mercy guys, the onion is so strong guys, burning my eyes. So there goes the onion. Now I'm gonna cut up my sweet pepper. So this is my sweet pepper that I got from my garden, guys. So this year, guys, I plant a lot of stuff. And I must say I reap. I get tomato, okra, callaloo, pepper, rosemary, cilantro, parsley. So guys, don't forget, please subscribe, comment, and share, and please turn on your notification button, notification bell, so whenever time I post a video, you will get it. So there you go, guys. That's my fresh seasoning that I'm gonna use to cut up, fry up my beans. So I'll check you back, guys. Okay, guys, it's time to fry the dumpling. So I'm gonna put the pot to dry hot, and then I'm gonna add my oil. So guys, when you fry dumpling, you have to put my paper towel to catch the extra oil that is left on the dumpling. So that's what I do. I put my paper towel in my bowl that I'm gonna put the dumpling in, and while the pot is hotting, I'm gonna start making the dumplings. So some people like to make fried dumpling without cornmeal, guys. I like to put cornmeal in my fried dumpling, in my dumpling. So I mix cornmeal and flour together to make the fried dumpling, to make the dough. Guys, so now, guys, the pot is hot, so I'm gonna put some oil. Not a lot of oil, guys. Turn down the heat on the stove, and then, guys, gonna press the dough. Okay, so you don't want to make them too thick, because then when you do that, it takes too long to fry. So I just press them out with my big finger. Just keep going around in a circle. Go around in circles. Yes. Now I'm going to test the oil, guys, to see how hot it is. one more, guys, for the middle. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna turn these dumpling. It's hot, so you have to turn the flame down a little bit. So the flame is on 5 on my stove. I'm gonna turn it down because I'm using a cast iron pot and this pot hold heat. So now turn down the flame. Here you go, guys. So I'm frying. Alright, guys, so I'll check you back, guys. Okay, guys, so let's check on the dumpling and see how they're going. Turn them another time, guys, to make sure they're fully soaked. So, because, guys, so flat they were and so big they get. So now I'm going to let them go for another couple of seconds. So guys, when you push your fork in your dumpling, if you make that crunchy, smooth feeling and sound, you know that the dumpling is soaked. So now I'm taking them out. So that's soaked and that's done. So there they go, guys. So I'm going to put in the next set. Turn on the stove. Some people like to leave their dumpling like this, but I don't like that because it takes too long to soak and take up too much oil. So I rather flat them out and then let them soak quick. Alright, guys, so I'll see you back, guys, in a minute. Some of them, the oil is so hot already, guys. Some of the dumplings started brown. So I'm gonna just turn them because the cast iron pot hold a lot of heat. So I have to turn them already, guys. So I'm gonna keep turning until they soak. So when I'm finished, guys, I'm gonna pour off the oil. So I'm gonna pour the oil off because I'm not gonna use a lot of oil to fry the beans. Alright, guys, so I'll be back, guys. I'll check you guys back. I'm gonna wash up my dishes, guys, because when I'm cooking, I like to wash while I'm cooking. I don't like to leave stuff in the sink while I'm cooking. So I'm gonna go wash my bowl and my pot cover and I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so finish frying these. So I'm gonna take them out. So guys, as soon as you push your fork through the dumpling, if you make a smooth sound, you know that it's cooked. Yes, guys, that's the last one. Here you go, guys. Fried dumpling. So, guys, I have some sweet potato I made for dinner yesterday. So, I'm gonna fry these. So, I'm gonna fry them, guys. So you can cook your potato, guys, and then you can fry it. You can slice it and fry it, guys. So this is another sweet potato, two kind of sweet potato. So I'm frying them, guys. Turn up the flame so then, you know, it doesn't take up a lot of oil. So alright, guys, so when I'm ready to turn these, I'll check you back, guys. Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna turn the potato, guys. So it starts to brown. So I'm gonna let it fry some more, guys. Yes, guys, so now the potato is fried. I'm gonna take them out. I think I'm gonna make some more fried dumpling now, guys, because I don't think it's enough. So, guys, when you have leftover food, you don't have to throw it out. You can either hot it up in your microwave, hot it up on your stove, or if you're a person who fries stuff, you can also fry it. Yes, guys, now that I finished frying the potato, I'm pouring off the oil. So I pour off some of the oil, and now I'm gonna fry up the fresh seasoning. So, guys, now I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper. Homemade pepper, guys. Just a couple drops of pepper to give it a tangy feeling. I'm gonna put some teriyaki sauce for the tomato, for the beans. So I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some garlic powder and some paprika. Now I'm gonna add the beans. I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit, guys. I'm gonna put a little tip of water. I'm putting a little bit of water, guys, to cook down the beans. Even though the bean is already pre-cooked, guys, but I'm still gonna cook it down a little bit so it can take on the flavor of the seasoning. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna check the beans. now it's done cooked, guys. Just stir it up a little bit. Okay, guys. There you go, guys. So there you go. Beans are done. So now I'm gonna share myself a plate for you guys to see what the food look like. So I'll be putting this in the sink to wash because I don't store my food with stainless steel. I use wood spoon, but I serve with stainless steel. So now I'll turn off the stove, guys. And so now I'm gonna put some beans. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna put a piece of sweet potato. And I'm gonna take a dumpling, guys. So I'll take like 2. There you go, guys. So that's beans with sweet potato and fried dumpling. So guys, if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget, guys, please put your notification bell on so the next time I upload a video you will see what I cook next time, guys. So this is my beans, sweet potato and fried dumpling for breakfast. Caribbean style, Jamaican style. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys, and God bless. Have a good day, a good night wherever you are. Take care of yourself. Until next time, smash the notification bell, guys, so the next time I upload a video you will